Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, a daily candle, what it's doing here, there is no volume. And that's what I told you before. I told you Saturday and Sunday, there is no volume. As you see them, the two candles here, there is no volume. And I told you in the last video, we need to make a close eye at that inside bar as we got here. Either the market to break lower or to break higher. So as we still waiting, there is nothing yet. And tomorrow we're going to see a big volume. So let's wait in tomorrow, guys. What's going to happen? And here we still have here that channel as we said before, that one here, as you see it, it's very clear now. We touch the lower of it, so we need to wait in. Either we're going to break the lower of it here, or maybe from here we're going to go higher, guys. That dependent. But till now the news will come in. If you open now Twitter, you're going to find every minute new news about the exchanges. They said that SBF, that's meant that some big blah 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 blah. Sorry for his name. Is him causing the Luna Classic to fall down and a lot of things. And there is one video of that Shamat or something. If you want it, I can put it for you in the description of this video. He talking about all those things. He said, what can we say? It's been all that. It's been manipulated and all that. It caused by people being against the crypto. They want it to fall down. So that's what I told you in the first, guys. I told you all that it just noise. We don't need to care about it, what's going to happen, what it's not. What's the most important, we know the levels where we're buying. Also we buy from here, and now if it fall down to 12k, we will buy, guys. I'll show you all those things. And here in my chart, what I got, still the same. As you see it, we touch here the lower of that wage. As you see it, another level, we got it here at 12k. If we break in that wage here, is something very, 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 very bad, guys. That the truth, if we break it here, it's something very bad. And as you see the Bitcoin, he came here to that level and there is no big power to push to go back inside. And I tell it to you here, I told you now we need to make a close eye if we're going to come back inside here. If we came back inside here, it's something very good. But if we still under here, that's not good. So let's wait in the coming days, guys, what is going to bring to us. And by the way, don't get scared. Don't sell in losses unless if you are in profit. Don't sell in losses, guys. Remember that. Till now the picture is getting every day clear and clear and clear. As I told you, now what can we say? The dominance or the cards they're being shown to the public. All that it's being manipulated, and that some it's being created by some people to disaster the crypto world, and it's getting more clear and clear every day. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to bring to us, guys. Everything is too clear here. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel every day, 2 videos, guys. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. You done it? Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it, my friend? Welcome to the family. Now it's going to see our indicators, what they're saying, guys, for picture to be more clear to you. That one here is the same thing, guys. As you see it, we touch here, it bounced all here. Now either from that level here of 35, we're going to see a rejection, or is going to go back to down. But to go back to down here to the oversold area, it's need a big volume. Until now there is no volume, guys. It's still a little bit early, and we need to make a close eye at the monthly candle, how it's going to end up, guys. Till now, yes, now it's looking everything is going down, but the monthly candle is going to tell us either that market is going to fall down more or no, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to the 4 hours to see what is it there. By the way, yes, you, my friend, if you smash the like button, go ahead and do it, helping us, guys. You know the channel without it can growing up, and the last video doesn't get any views, guys. So please, smashing the like button, guys. Boosting that channel. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Now let's go in to see what is it in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. In the 4 hours, there is nothing new here. Yesterday, I told you need to make a close eye at that level here and that one here. Where is the market is going to break? either to break lower here or to break up here. Till now there is nothing here, guys. Only thing here, also we still sideways here, guys. As you see, there is nothing new here. Yes, the volume here a little bit, it started getting higher here for sellers, but not that much. That's what me I told you need to make a close eye at that level. So it might, that one, it's just a correction, then you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down more than that, guys. How you're going to know exactly if it's going to fall down or not? You bring the Fibo like that, till that level here, like that. So maybe it's going to fall down till 13k, that if it came and breaking for us that last low here. But till now, it's not yet, because that last low here, as you see it, is it in a very stronger level, guys. And here it came, it touched here the downtrend line also we draw, and I show you all those things before, but it's okay, let's show it now. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you guys. As you see it, guys, that one here also we taking off here, we break it, but it show us all that it's just a false breakout. Now it fall down the net again, it go back here, it couldn't break it again up. Now it's showing here it's going down. So now for us to know it's going to fall down more than that, it needs to come out to break for us that last low here. That is going to indicating for us the market is going to fall down more than that, guys. But let's wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us. For us here, there is nothing, guys. No inter short, no inter long. I'm talking here about swing trading, guys, because there is no price action here indicating for us we need to enter long, guys, and there is no price action here indicating for us we need to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, and I'm going to come back to you after the daily candle finishes, guys. So let's go now to see our indicators what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, it's still very flat here, guys. Yes, it touched here, it showed a little bit of bounce, but now it's very flat here in that zone. There is no volume here. And that's normal because today is Sunday and yesterday Saturday there is no big volume. But when the week starts tonight at the midnight is going to start the volume. Then we're going to see either we break in higher or we will go lower, guys. And Monday always, as what can we say, Monday is going to tell you what to do. Everything is too clear. So here we need to come here to the divergence line. That one here, for pushing the market down, we need to draw there a level here. So really draw it together here in the 4 hours, guys. You came here like that and you do it like that. So that one you need to follow it when it's going to be broken. If you remember the down one we used to have here one, it's being broken here, then also we take it off. Now the one also we draw it, we need to wait in. The one is how it's going to react to it. So everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, as you see it, guys, also we still here at the oversold area. Price action, we don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. So we don't need to looking for long, guys. As you see it, there is nothing there. That one is just here a resting. Maybe after that resting, you're going to see another drop, or it's going to give us here a price action. That's why I told you need to wait a little bit till the market is telling you and talk to you. I tell you, is it the right time for us to reverse? Like how it happened here, guys. It talked to us, it gave us that signal. Also, we enter in that short. Now here, there is nothing confirmed, guys. We need to wait in a little bit till the market talking to us. Everything is too clear, guys. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Helping us. You know that channel without you can growing up. Yes, I'm talking to you. Smash the like button, my friend. And write down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, also what we said here. If you remember, we said here we got a down channel here. Like that, it's being broken here. We said enter long. We said stop loss, put it down here. Down in that level here. That one. Take profit where we said we need to have it. We said here at that level here. So till now it's showing maybe it's going to hit for us the stop loss. Other part of the game, guys. If it falls down and hitting the stop loss. And here look what me I told you before. We got here a head and shoulder like that. And here it's showing it's break it down. Here in that place here, it's showing it's break it down. But one thing here, the 200 moving average here, it's showing it started getting flat. And the volume, there is no big volume, guys. Even if you're looking down here, there is no big volume, guys, indicating that the market is going to reverse. So also we're still holding our scalping opportunity to go till here. And over here, we're going to take the profit. If it go up, if it fall down and hitting for us the stop loss, that's okay. That's a part of the game, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, what they're saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, it's still here at the oversold area. So there is nothing new. It's waiting now if we're going to fall down more or we're going to change it upward, guys. Because still now there is nothing new here. We still have here down that level here, and you can even come here and draw it like that, a wedge like that, and you wait when it's going to be broken here. But for the people that don't enter with us from that channel, you wait in that wedge to be broken and the 200 moving average to be broken for you to enter long again. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.